Well, hi folks, it's Terry back with another video, a follow-up on that early Marx pre-war motor that I did earlier. If you remember, it had a broken contactor on the bottom. And what I have done is I have managed to fix that contactor, if you can see it in the focus here. And what I did is I took this is actually this piece here off of a Marx micro motor out of a 490. Motor was no good, so I scavenged what parts I could, and then all I did was drill out this rivet here that was in it and held the spring on, and then simply attached it over the little plastic nub on the back, and then put a drop of solder there. And as you can see, turn the power on, whoops, we had a derailment. There we go. As you can see, it is running absolutely perfectly. That's forward. Let it come around again. Switch it to reverse. And as you see, it is running. You can't ask it to run any better. I've dubbed this now the Marx MacGyver motor, because this motor is MacGyvered in the extreme. It's got pre-war wheels, a ballpoint pen spring for a brush spring, and a Marx 490 micromotor contactor, actually half of one, but it runs, and that's the important thing. So, yeah, like Ben says, my friend Ben over at Ben's Trains, I encourage you to check out his videos too. Don't overlook the junk. Just because something's junk when you get it doesn't mean it will be when you're done. This motor was thrown in a junk box of motors, and none of them were running. I have managed to get, of the 5, all 4 up and running. The other one, just because I didn't have enough replacement parts to get it running, but I'm sure I could. So I just want to share a quick video on you. Feel free to share any comments in the comments below. Please be nice. Or you can drop me an email again at jomd67@gmail.com. And thank you for watching.